Hello sir, good morning. How are you, sir?
I'm good. Please take your seat.
Thank you.
No, Shabana, side में जाओ तुम्हें मेरे चार्जर
Oh,
लीजिए.
sir.
I am very much satisfied with my colleagues. I come to know your display on.
Sir, can you close the door, please? Can you close the door, please? So, how did you come to know about our water purifier and a company, sir?
Yes, I'll tell you, your Beyond Systems, I have seen number of photos displays and parking areas, and from my well-wishers colleagues that Beyond has got a very good market in Rockford. So I am, in fact, very much happy to know about these products.
Correct, sir. We actually advertise through auto rickshaws and through no parking boards in Bangalore and other places. Ours is a modest kind of advertisement strategies. We don't give Hema Malini 3 crores or Sachin Tendulkar 5 crores for our advertisement strategies. Basically, we are from an ex-army group of organization, so we go into a modest kind of advertisement strategies. So, by the way, can I have some water which you use at home? So, what water do you use at home, sir?
Sorry?
What water do you use at home?
At home, we are using, in fact, local
The borewell water?
Yeah, borewell water.
Borewell water as well as the Kaveri water.
Yes.
Okay, so can I have the sample of that also?
Yes.
So that I'll be just checking the TDS.
Yeah.
TDS is a total dissolved salts in the water. This is called as a TDS meter.
Fine.
So we would actually come to know what is the TDS exactly is right now in your water.
Okay.
So this is 0 on top.
Right.
So I just put a hold. Okay. Now it shows 333 is a TDS.
So
That means you are using a borewell water.
So does it affect my health?
So of course, sir. On a longer run, there will be lot of ill effects on this water if you keep continuing with this water.
Okay.
So what I would suggest is, this is a remedy, the water purifier.
Fine.
So basically, I'll just tell you about our company again once more. See, our company started 15 years back, and it's an ex-army group of organization. At the hierarchy level, on the board of directors with brigadiers and colonels on the top level. And we are in a stretch of hierarchy, and it's a 1,000 crore company with 1,200 employees all over India. So coming to our head office, sir, our head office is in Delhi, our corporate office is in Cochin, our admin office is in HBR Layout, Bangalore, and we also have